Welcome to Curious Kids. Today we are going to learn about pet animals. Pets are special friends that people keep at home, on farms, or even in gardens. Let's explore the world of pets together. This is a dog. Dogs are loyal pets that love to play and protect their owners. They can hear sounds 4 times farther away than humans. This is a cat. Cats are soft and cuddly, and they love to nap and chase toys. Cats sleep for about 12-16 hours a day. This is a rabbit. Rabbits hop around, love carrots, and have long ears. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. This is a hamster. Hamsters are tiny pets that run fast on wheels. They can store food in their cheeks to eat later. This is a guinea pig. Guinea pigs squeak happily and love eating vegetables. They don't come from Guinea. They are from South America. This is a mouse. Mice are small and quick, often kept in cages as pets. They can squeeze through small holes. This is a hedgehog. Hedgehogs curl into a ball with tiny spines for protection. A hedgehog has about 5,000 to 7,000 spines on its back. This is a parrot. Parrots are smart birds that can talk and love to mimic sounds. Some parrots can live for over 60 years. This is a budgie. Budgies are small, cheerful birds with bright feathers. They can learn to say up to 100 words. This is a cockatiel. Cockatiels whistle tunes and have a cute crest on their heads. They can even copy the sound of ringing phones. This is a bearded dragon. Bearded dragons are calm lizards with spiky beards under their chin. This is a gecko. Geckos are lizards that climb walls and make little chirping sounds. They can regrow their tails if they lose them. This is a turtle. Turtles live in water and on land, swimming with flippers. Sea turtles travel thousands of miles during migration. This is a snake. Snakes slither on the ground and some are kept as exotic pets. Snakes actually smell with their tongue. This is a tarantula. Tarantulas are large, hairy spiders that crawl slowly. They have tiny hairs that they flick to protect themselves. This is a goldfish. Goldfish are colorful swimmers that live in bowls and ponds. They have a memory that lasts for months, not seconds. This is a goat. Goats are playful farm pets that love to climb and eat grass. Goats have rectangular pupils for wide vision. This is a sheep. Sheep are fluffy animals that give us wool. Sheep can remember up to 50 different faces. This is a mini pig. Mini pigs are small, smart pigs often kept as pets. Pigs are actually smarter than dogs and can learn tricks. This is a chicken. Chickens cluck and scratch the ground for food. They can recognize over 100 human faces. This is a duck. Ducks waddle on land and swim happily in ponds. This is a horse. Horses are strong animals that people ride and care for. Horses can sleep, standing up. This is a donkey. Donkeys are calm helpers that can carry loads. Donkeys have an incredible memory and can recognize places from years ago. This is a cow. Cows are farm animals that give us milk. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. This is an alpaca. Alpacas are fluffy animals from the mountains, kept for their wool. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are smart birds that can find their way home. Pigeons can even recognize themselves in a mirror. This is a scorpion. Scorpions are exotic pets with stingers and glowing bodies under UV light. Scorpions existed before the dinosaurs. Wow, kids! We just learned the names and amazing details of pet animals. Pets make our lives fun, happy, and full of love. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Curious Kids for more exciting learning. Bye-bye!